Zonta was established in 1919. Things have certainly changed over the last 100 years. The roles, rights, and responsibilities of women have changed. Fashion, communication, entertainment, and transportation have also changed. The way clubs bring in new members has also changed. We are no longer restricted to one professional representative. Now, entire professional affinity groups are being created. Membership acceptance has also gone from a few months to mere weeks. We are working to move people in, not screen people out. To build our clubs and increase membership, to build a better world for women and girls, we need to evolve and change our thinking some more, or risk going the way of the dinosaur. Imagine Z clubs that can bring together members from all over. Imagine hybrid meetings that increase accessibility. Imagine reducing the barriers to membership. Imagine a greater diversity of ages, cultures, and abilities that build personal and professional networks and expand our capacity. What can you imagine?